Welcome to Un Ojo, one eye, one vision. We fix it right, we light it right. In today's video, I'm tracing a solenoid that's stuck open, but in this massive property, there's 9 zones and full of landscaping shrubs and all kinds of crap. So I can't find a solenoid box. So I'm using the tracer, the Pro3000 from Fluke. It's not made for landscaping, but it's the only thing I had right now. And let's make it work. Okay, so you make sure the power's off, so I tripped the GF5. I put the red on the zone 3 wire, and you find the pair, which is the common, which is the white. Then I put my toner on the blinking so I could get tone, because it's alternating. Double click my toner. So now I go away. I already found it earlier, but I'm just going to show you I found it. So I know this is the last sprinkler from zone 3. So it's up and the pump is over there. So it's upstream. So it's somewhere here. So I started toning from line to line, made myself a grid until I get a faint noise. You could hardly hear it, but it's a faint noise. You could put the headsets on this. It started with faint, so I started narrowing it down. All that shrub was on top of it. So I started poking with a screwdriver until I got the top. And here it is. Here's the problem right there. The solenoid was stuck. So I closed the valve, reopened, and little behold, it started working. So the solenoid actually just got stuck. A lot of dirt was in it. Problem fixed. Okay, I got it on manual. I'm gonna go to zone 1. We'll turn that on. So zone 1 is on, which goes all the way to the back, goes all the way over here. These are not on. Zone 3 is not on. Zone 3 is not on. We'll turn that on. There we go. Zone 3 is on. Okay. Zone 3 is on. With a few over here. And every zone, so when I shut down zone 3, it turns off. All good. The Pro3000 from Fluke is my go-to when trying to locate wires through walls, ceilings, shrubs. Also can determine wire or cable line faults. Alright, Un Ojo crew, hope this helped you trace it fast and fix it right. Got a problem? Drop it in the comments. I might fix it next.